Hey, are you thinking about starting affiliate marketing, but you think it's too hard and too expensive? Well, I have a very cool solution for you. Keep watching, and I promise you won't regret it.
Affiliate marketing is the fastest way to earn money online. Get the only platform to combine vital software apps, resources, and training you need. Unlock the power and full potential of your marketing, all in one place. This is a powerful affiliate marketing software, time-saving automation, and convenient management tool for all affiliate marketers. It includes affiliate marketing training for beginners with all tools provided, so you start earning faster, even with zero experience. Beginner to advanced perpetual affiliate marketing training. Get the essential software that's a must for all affiliate marketers. 7 different ways to easily monetize your affiliate websites. SEO training from one of today's top search engine specialists. Includes the ranking power of SEO, coming soon. Discover funnel marketing with included point and click funnel builder. Affiliate management features that help you grow your business. Free WordPress hosting for your affiliate website. All technical barriers eliminated through marketing automation. You get full access, nothing else to buy or upgrade to make it work. Nothing for you to download, install, or update, ever. Kbuvo's hybrid marketing engine powers affiliates of all levels with powerful, reliable marketing software, innovative automation, and convenient management tools. That helps you start, build, and grow your online income, even if you have zero experience. Today, more than 80% of all online businesses and 92% of all online websites incorporate affiliate marketing. Nearly 20%, 2 out of 10, of all purchases made online globally comes from affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing will become a $10 billion industry by the end of 2021 and has grown 52% annually for the past 5 years. Google searches for the term affiliate marketing are at an all-time record high. For aspiring affiliate marketers. With 2 out of every 10 purchases being made through websites monetized with affiliate links, now is the most opportune time ever for you to get involved with affiliate marketing. Not only because of those statistics, but because you've also found Kbuvo. You can stop searching Google, reading blogs, joining marketing forums, and watching hundreds of hours of videos just to learn affiliate marketing. No more wasting money on outdated ebooks that leave you with way more questions than answers. No need to pay for expensive training courses or buy costly tools from different, possibly sketchy vendors. Now you can learn affiliate marketing without barriers. Think of Kbuvo as your trusted central hub for all things affiliate marketing. You get your own digital workspace with a full marketing toolbox of vital apps and software that are a must for all affiliate marketers. You simply can't do effective affiliate marketing without these tools. You'll learn the real-world marketing skills that are crucial to selling all products and services online, not just affiliate products. Your guided training is provided to you by a 20-year super affiliate, SEO, and digital marketing expert, who created and personally uses Kbuvo to run his entire affiliate business. You'll learn the same exact methods and strategies he uses to currently manage more than 25 profitable affiliate sites created with and operated solely by the Kbuvo platform. We're committed to your success. Unlike other affiliate marketing training products, we won't abandon you after the sale. If you're following Kbuvo's guided instruction to the letter and still not seeing any results, we will take a closer look at what you have going on to get you on the right track. For experienced affiliate marketers, reach your maximum level of efficiency and productivity. You no longer have to deal with opening multiple tabs just to access and use your marketing tools. The hassle of ensuring that all your tools, software apps, and plugins stay updated is gone. No more paying for updates or license renewals just to keep your monetization plugins working. Keep all your affiliate projects, domains, servers, content, and more neatly organized and managed from one convenient console. It's virtually impossible to scale your business without efficiency. If you're happy with your current income from a single website, or want to focus all your time and energy to grow it into something amazing, there is nothing wrong with that. In fact, when we see one of our affiliate sites really taking off, it gets a little extra effort and attention. You can use Quvo to effortlessly research and find more potentially profitable keywords to tackle. Find and instantly add more related top-selling products. Add more monetization methods like Google AdSense. Monitor social media signals to maximize traffic and exposure. Create other related websites, domains to help boost the project. Create more landing pages and lead funnels. You can see at a glance how your affiliate sites are performing. And do all or any of the above from one single place, without opening multiple tabs or tools and without having to toggle back and forth. You can't get this kind of efficiency with any other affiliate marketing platform. Quvo can take a day worth of your efforts and whittle it down to just a couple hours or less. Introducing Quvo. It's what powers affiliates. The Affiliate Marketing Programs for Beginners 2021. Quvo makes it easier to start earning affiliate commissions and to scale up your business. Before you see the earnings posted below, you need to realize that it's not going to happen for you overnight. These things must happen first. You need training to get established. Your site requires building a presence. Your site needs time to rank. You need a steady flow of traffic. You need to create a subscriber base. Quvo shows you how to do all that, easier and faster. We could easily show you our 5, even 6-figure earnings, then try to suggest that somehow, you too can do the same just by purchasing Quvo. Although affiliate marketing has the potential to produce massive commissions for you, it is a legitimate endeavor that will take time. The earnings below are a bit more realistic of what you could possibly start seeing over time as your knowledge and your business grows. These represent multiple websites and affiliate programs with a realistic day-to-day variation in affiliate commissions. Now you can get all the vital affiliate training and apps you need in one simple, powerful dashboard. Whether you're an experienced digital entrepreneur in need of a better way to run and manage your affiliate business more efficiently, or a new aspiring affiliate in search of the best way to get started, Quvo's hybrid affiliate marketing engine is the perfect choice for you. Be on your way to earning your own daily commissions.
That's cool, right? Click the link below this video and claim your free bonuses.